apocalypse killed everything on Earth, leaving the planet simmering in radiation.
It doesn't matter how good your cinematography or background score is. The true success of a TV show is measured on how many eyes it draws. Welcome to the Epic Earth, and today we'll be counting down the top 10 most watched TV shows on the basis of viewership when these shows were being aired. The Flash is the 10th most watched TV show on the list, with around 3.5 million average total viewership over the 5 seasons. The show was first aired on October 7, 2014 and is based on the DC Comics character Flash. The show follows crime investigator Barry Allen, who gains superhuman speed after the explosion of the Star Labs particle accelerator, which he uses to fight crimes as Flash.
It's him! It's him!
At number 9 is Grey's Anatomy. The show had nearly 6 million viewers in the most recent season and around 25 million people watching season 3. It was first aired on March 27, 2005 and follows the life of Meredith, the daughter of esteemed surgeon, starting from her acceptance into the surgical residency program. The show also shows emotions and drama through Meredith's life.
Dr. Grey, right? What's the story there?
That's too long a story to tell.
Yes. Grey's Anatomy.
With an average viewership of 1.74 million, The Riverdale is the 8th most watched show in the world. The show was first aired on 26 January 2017. The series is based on the characters of Archie comics. The series follows Archie Andrews' life in the small town of Riverdale, which is rocked after the murder of Jason Blossom. In order to solve the murder mystery, Archie and his friends must unearth the hidden secrets buried in the town. With its crime and mystery theme, this show definitely captures your imagination.
Archie Andrews, you're under arrest for the murder of Shadow Lake resident Cassidy Bullock.
Orange is the New Black is at number 7 on the most watched show list. Netflix stated that nearly 105 million subscribers have watched at least one episode of the show. However, these aren't the average viewership numbers. The show was first aired on July 11, 2013. The show is about a middle-class woman who has been sent to prison for carrying drug money for her ex-girlfriend, who is also put in the prison. The show has strong LGBT themes, and with its comedic style drama, it became one of the best shows to have aired on Netflix.
What is it you really want?
Ice cream. And justice.
With an average viewership of 1.94 million, The 100 comes in at number 6. Directed by Henry Lancusick, this sci-fi show was first aired on 19 March 2014 and is based on the science fiction novel under the same name by Cass Morgan. Set 97 years post a nuclear apocalypse which almost wiped out the entire world on the planet, the humanity is forced to live in a space station orbiting Earth. In hopes of repopulating the Earth, 100 juvenile delinquents are sent back to the Earth. The show, however, hasn't been able to catch people's attention in recent times.
What is this? They're killing us, are they? Reducing population to make more time for the rest of you.
Listen to me. You're being sent to the ground. All 100 of you.
What?
At number 5 is 13 Reasons Why, directed by Tom McCarthy and co-produced by Selena Gomez. The show follows teenager Clay Jensen and his quest to find the reason why his classmate and crush Hannah decided to take her own life. Clay Jensen received 7 tapes which were recorded on both sides except the last one, revealing the 13 reasons behind her death. The Netflix show received a lot of appreciation as well as some criticism for its controversial topic. More than 6 million people watched the first episode of season 2. However, numbers have gone down since then, and the show hasn't been able to live up to the expectation standards of season 1.
Hannah, I'm not going. Not now. Not ever.
Why didn't you say this to me when I was alive?
First aired on the 31st October 2010, The Walking Dead comes in at number 4. The show reached its pinnacle in terms of viewership during season 4 and 5, with around 16 million viewers watching the 2 seasons on average. The numbers have fallen since then. The show is based on backdrop of worldwide zombie apocalypse. The series centers on Sheriff's Deputy Rick Grimes, who wakes up from a coma to find out that the world has been taken over by zombies.
All I am anymore is a man looking for his wife and son.
At number 3 is Stranger Things. According to Nelson, the 3rd season of Stranger Things was watched by a record 26.4 million US viewers during the 4-day holiday weekend of July 4, 2019. Stranger Things is set in the 1980s, and the story revolves around a group of young boys and their friends and family. When one of the boys disappears, the remaining boys must band together and discover the source of evil in the town. The story is a blend of fiction, horror, and comedy. The show was first aired on 15 July 2016, and it must be said that director Sean Levy has done a terrific job.
Chasing after something else.
With 19.3 million viewers on its finale, The Game of Thrones comes at the 2nd position. Co-created by David Benioff and D.B. Weiss, The Game of Thrones is an adaptation of George R.R. Martin's series of books, A Song of Ice and Fire. The show was first aired on 17 April 2011 and didn't fail to capture the imagination of the viewers with its brilliant plot twist and the ultimate goal of capturing the Iron Throne. A throne constructed by Aegon Targaryen from the blade surrendered by his enemies or wrenched from the hands of the dying.
He is no dragon. Fire cannot kill a dragon.
Before we share our top pick today, here are few honorable mentions.
The resident was found 5 years after he was missing and...
I am Arrow.
And who are we looking at here?
Abby Khan.
What are you gonna do for us today, Abby?
I'm going to sing.
Men will want you, women will hate you. All the time you were on stage. Couldn't help picturing you.
This is just stupid.
No, that's brilliant, because sometimes you're a bitch.
My name is Tokyo. But when this story began, that wasn't my name. Don't move, or I'll blow you in half!
How would stealing about 2.4 billion euros sound?
Mom, I'm thinking about going on a trip. No one has ever hit that hard. Not even...
Good morning.
Good morning.
With a whopping 77 million views on 16 April 2020, as reported by Doordarshan India, the Ramayana broke the record for the most watched TV show. The rerun, which was brought back on popular demands, was written and directed by Ramanand Sagar and depicts the life of Hindu Lord Rama. The show was first telecasted on January 25, 1987 to July 31, 1988. In its span of a year, Ramayana had become the most watched mythological series in the world. I guess some things never get old.
Thank you for watching this video. like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.